Introducing the Nexgrill DEluxe 5-burner gas grill, featuring an impressive collection of burners that put you in complete control of your cookouts. In the main firebox, there are 5 independently controlled high-quality stainless steel main burners that deliver plenty of flame roasting energy for quick, convenient, controlled heat. One of which is a special high-powered stainless steel turbo burner that gives you an awesome range of options to create multiple heat zones. Plus, there's one powerful ceramic rear burner that's perfect for rotisserie cooking or sealing in juicy flavor. With a reliable battery-operated electronic ignition, you just turn on the gas, turn the knobs, press the button, and let the grilling begin. A huge main cooking area provides plenty of space to feed gatherings large and small. The DEluxe 5-burner grill comes standard with heavy-duty porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grates built to transfer heat exceptionally well, while an upper-level warming rack keeps cooked foods toasty. Plus, the Nexgrill PROTOUCH cooking system opens up a whole new menu of grilling possibilities. With a variety of interchangeable cooking accessories, it gives you the flexibility to cook with a multi-purpose roaster, 2-sided griddle, searing grate, cast iron wok, cast iron skillet, cast iron stew pot, and even a pizza stone. Beneath the cooking surface, a consistent cooking power system ensures uniform heat throughout the firebox for superb results, while angled flame tamers help distribute heat evenly, prevent flare-ups, and vaporize drippings into smoky flavor. To one side of the grill, you can use a powerful stainless steel side burner to warm, simmer, or sauté a side dish. And to the other side, a superheated ceramic searing side burner that emits infrared heat to rapidly sear and brown foods, perfect for locking in juicy flavor on steaks. On top, a built-in thermometer enables precise temperature regulation. And beneath the firebox, a gas regulator connects to your fuel source. For information on your specific connection, refer to the user manual. When it's time to clean up, a handy rear access pull-out grease tray makes it easy. A convenient cart with 2 double-layered doors creates the perfect space to stow away your grilling tools and accessories. And a smooth motion 4-caster system with 1 locking wheel and 1 swivel wheel makes moving your grill a breeze and locking it into position a snap. If you're hungry for different, you're ready for a Nexgrill, the Nexgrill DEluxe 5-burner gas grill.